Hello students, today we are going to study the questions based on the discounting of a bills of exchange. When the bill is discounted with the bank, the discount charge is charged by the bank and the bill honored on the due date. In the last lecture, we had studied the entries for discounting of a bill of exchange with the bank. When the bill is discounted with the bank, what will be the journal entry? Bank account debit, discount account debit to bills receivable account. For the bill discounted with the bank, what is the journal entry? Bank account debit, discount account debit to bills receivable account. The drawer receives the money from the bank and the bank charges discount charges, or the bank levies discount charges, and the balance amount is given to the drawer. But the drawee is not at all affected by this. Therefore, there is no entry in the books of the drawee. The discounted bill is honored on the due date. On the due date, the drawee goes to the bank and makes the payment of the bill to the bank. There is no entry in the books of accounts of the drawer because the drawer has already received cash from the bank. In the books of drawee, what do we write? Bills payable account debit to cash and bank account. If the discounted bill is dishonored on the due date, in the books of drawer, what do we write? Drawee account debit to bank account, being the discounted bill dishonored on the due date. And in the books of the drawee, bill payable account debit to drawer account. If the discounted bill is dishonored on the due date and noting charge is paid by bank, the journal entry is drawee account debit to bank account, being discounted bill dishonored on the due date and noting charge is paid by the bank. Suppose the amount of the bill is rupees 20,000 and noting charges are rupees 200. The drawee account will be debited for rupees 20,200 and bank account will be credited for rupees 20,200. That is drawee's account debit to bank account. And in the books of the drawee, bill payable account debit 20,000, noting charges account debit 200 to drawer's account 20,200, being our acceptance dishonored and noting charges payable. After knowing the journal entries, we are going to come to the question. Everybody will take a note of the question here. Ajinkya owes rupees 45,000 to Ashwin. On 12th July 2019, Ashwin received a cross check of rupees 15,000 from Ajinkya and the balance rupees 30,000. Ajinkya accepted a bill for 3 months. Ashwin got the bill discounted with the bank at 15% per annum on the same day. Give journal entries in the books of Ashwin and Ajinkya for the following cases. The bill is honored on the due date. The bill is dishonored on the due date. Bill is dishonored on due date and noting charge is rupees 300 paid by bank. That's a very important question. All of you will have to take your notebooks and your pens. Note down the question. Draw the journal properly. After drawing the journal, you will start writing the journal entries. Before writing, what you have to do, you have to understand the question properly. Ajinkya owes rupees 45,000 to Ashwin. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? अजिंक्य ने अश्विन को 45,000 रुपीस देना है. अजिंक्य इज द डेटर एंड अश्विन इज द क्रेडिटर. अश्विन ने पैसा लेना है, अजिंक्य ने पैसा देना है. डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड ओवर हियर. On 12 July 2019, Ashwin received a cross check of rupees 15,000. अब 45,000 रुपीज़ में से अश्विन को एक क्रॉस चेक मिला है अजिंक्य से, कितने अमाउंट का? 15,000 रुपीज़। एंड फॉर द बैलेंस, अब बैलेंस कितना हुआ? 45,000 माइनस 15,000, 30,000 के लिए अजिंक्य एक्सेप्टेड अ बिल फॉर 3 months। अजिंक्य ने बिल एक्सेप्ट किया, मीन्स अश्विन ड्रॉज द बिल, अजिंक्य accepted the bill. Ashwin becomes the drawer and Ajinkya becomes the drawee. Make a note of it. Ashwin got the bill discounted with the bank. Underline for 3 months and the rate of interest is 15% per annum. अब अश्विन जो ड्रॉवर है, ऑन द सेम डे 12 जुलाई को वह अपने बैंक के पास जाता है और बिल को डिस्काउंट करता है एंड डिस्काउंट चार्जेस आर 15% पर एनम। 30,000 पर 15% ब्याज लगेगा, इंटरेस्ट लगेगा, चार्जेस लगेंगे। और कितने महीने के लिए? 3 months के लिए। तो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट द डिस्काउंट चार्जेस. Everybody will calculate the discount charges in their notebook. What is the formula? Amount of bill multiply by 15 upon 100 multiply by period of bill 3 months, 3 divide by 12. 30,000 multiply by 15 upon 100 multiply by 3 upon 12. Everybody will calculate the amount of discount here. For the students do make a mistake, वो पूरे साल का ब्याज ले लेते हैं 30,000 के ऊपर 15%, 4,500, विच इज़ रॉन्ग. अब जो 4,500 होगा उसे हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 3/12. जब 3/12 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे इट विल कम टू 1,125 रुपीज़. अब बैंक के पास जब बिल डिस्काउंट किया जाएगा, बैंक पूरा अमाउंट तो देगा नहीं, बैंक चार्जेस लगेंगे या उसे डिस्काउंट चार्जेस कहा जाता है. तो हाउ मच आर द डिस्काउंट चार्जेस हियर? 1,125. दिस इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप. Everybody has to do it properly. And then you have to pass the journal entries in the books of the drawer and drawee. How much amount is received by the cross check? Rupees 15,000. Bank account debit. Check comes in. Instead of check, what you will write? Bank. Debit what comes in. Bank account debit. Bill receivable account debit for rupees 30,000. Who is the giver? Ajinkya. To Ajinkya's account rupees 45,000. Being check received and for the balance bill drawn and accepted by Ajinkya, or being acceptance received from Ajinkya and the check received from him. So what will be the first journal entry? Bank account debit, bill receivable account debit to Ajinkya's account. This is the settlement for rupees 45,000. Everybody understand it properly. Then on July 12, 2019, Ashwin goes to his bank, discounts the bill with the bank, and the bank gives him the amount due after deducting the bank charges or the discount charges. The discount charges in this case are rupees 1,125. 30,000 minus 1,125 comes to 28,875. Bank account debit 28,875. Discount account debit 1,125. To bills receivable account 30,000. So how much amount is received here? 28,875. In this case you don't have to write down the cash, क्योंकि जो ड्रॉवर है या अश्विन है उसके अकाउंट में पैसा चला जाएगा. तो कितने पैसे जाएंगे उसके अकाउंट में, बैंक अकाउंट में 28,875 एंड 1125 का लॉस हुआ, एक्सपेंस हुआ, तो डिस्काउंट अकाउंट डेबिट ऑल एक्सपेंसेस एंड लॉसेस एंड कितने अमाउंट का बिल रिसीवेबल जा रहा है 30,000 का. तो व्हाट विल बी द जर्नल एंट्री हियर, बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट 28,875, discount account debit 1,125, two bills receivable account 30,000. Being Ajinkya's accepted discounted with the bank. How to calculate the discount? Again you will understand 30,000 is the amount of bill, multiply by 15 upon 100, multiply by 3 upon 12. Then after 3 months, what is the date after 3 months? 12th October. How many days grace to be added to honor the bill? 3 days grace. 13, 14 and 15. On 15th October, the discounted bill is honored. On 15th October, the discounted bill is honored. When the discounted bill is honored, there is no entry in the books of drawer. There is no entry in the books of drawer. Therefore, what you have to write? No entry. And if the discounted bill is dishonored on the due date, that is on October 15, अजिंक्य कहता है कि मैं पेमेंट नहीं करूँगा, तो इस केस में हमें क्या एंट्री पास करना है? ड्रॉवी अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक अकाउंट. हु इज द ड्रॉवी ओवर हियर? अजिंक्य अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक अकाउंट 30,000. Being Ajinkya's acceptance discounted with bank dishonored or the bill dishonored on due date. And C case में bill is dishonored on the due date and noting charges rupees 300 paid by the bank. अब bill dishonor हुआ और ऊपर से नोटिंग चार्जेस कितने लग गए? 300 रुपीज़. और नोटिंग चार्जेस कौन पे करेगा? बैंक. तो हाउ मच इज़ द अमाउंट रिसीवेबल बाय द बैंक फ्रॉम द ड्रॉवर? अब बैंक ने अश्विन से कितने पैसे लेना है? 30,300. तो अश्विन के लिए बैंक इज़ अ क्रेडिटर फॉर रुपीज़ 30,300 और वही 30,300 अजिंक्य से लेना है अश्विन ने. तो क्या लिखेंगे हम? अजिंक्य अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक अकाउंट, ड्रॉवी अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक अकाउंट इंक्लूडिंग नोटिंग चार्जेस रुपीज़ 30,300. Being Ajinkya's acceptance discounted with the bank dishonored and noting charges rupees 300 paid by bank. So everybody has to understand the entries again in the books of drawer. The same type of entries come in the board exams for 10 marks. Ajinkya has to pay rupees 45,000 to Ashwin. He gives rupees 15,000 by check and accepts a bill for rupees 30,000. So what Ashwin or the drawer will write in his books? Bank account debit, bill receivable account debit to Ajinkya's account. Being check received and for the balance bill drawn and acceptance received. On July 12, Ashwin discounts the bill with his bank at the rate of 15% per annum for 3 months. When we calculate the discount, it comes to rupees 1125. What will be the entry? Bank account debit, discount account debit, two bills receivable account. Bank account debit 28,875, discount account debit 1125, two bills receivable account rupees 30,000. If the discounted bill is honored on due date, no entry in the books of the drawer. Very important. If the discounted bill is dishonored on due date, drawee account debit to bank account. Ajinkya's account debit to bank account rupees 30,000. Now, in the last case, if the bill is dishonored and noting charges rupees 300 paid by bank, Ajinkya's account debit to bank account rupees 30,300. Being Ajinkya's acceptance discounted with bank dishonored and noting charges paid by bank, 30,300 is a total amount to be received from Ajinkya and 30,300 to be given to the bank. That is Drawi account debit to bank account. All of you will note down these entries in your notebook. Learn these entries properly with proper narrations and the amount to be written properly in debit and credit. Now we come to the journal entries in the books of Drawi. After understanding the entries in the books of Drawer, we have to come to the entries in the books of Drawi. Who is the Drawi? Ajinkya. That is in the books of Drawi, in the books of Ajinkya, journal entries or journal of Ajinkya or journal entries in the books of Ajinkya, anything you can write on the top. Same way you have to draw the journal. After drawing the journal properly, on July 12, 2019, Ajinkya gives rupees 15,000 and accepts rupees 30,000 bill. When he accepts the bill or when he pays the amount by check, what will be the entry? Drawer account debit. Debit the receiver. Who is the receiver? Ashwin's account debit. The check goes out to bank account. Bill payable is going to Ashwin to bill payable account. Again I'll repeat. Ashwin's account debit rupees 45,000 to bank account rupees 15,000 to bills payable account rupees 30,000, being the amount due paid by check and acceptance for the balance amount, or being paid by check and accepted the bill for the balance. Anything you can write in narration, but it should be proper, short. On July 12, the bill is discounted with the bank. For the bill discounted with the bank, the entry comes in the books of the drawer, but no entry in the books of the Drawi. On the due date, that is October 15. The bill is dishonored. When the bill is dishonored, that is October 15. What will be the journal entry in the books of Drawi? Bill payable account debit to drawers account. Bill payable account debit to drawers account rupees 30,000. July 12 entry should not be taken into account. That is wrong. October 15 you have to write. Bill payable account debit to Ashwin's account, being our acceptance dishonored. उसके ऊपर वाली entry आपको नहीं लेना है. You don't have to consider that entry. Then the bill is dishonored on the due date. The discounted bill is dishonored on the due date and noting charges paid by bank. कोई भी नोटिंग चार्जेस पे करे, ड्रॉवी की बुक्स में हमेशा सेम एंट्री बनेगी. बिल पेएबल अकाउंट डेबिट रुपीज़ 30,000, noting charges account debit rupees 300 to drawers account to Ashwin's account rupees 30,300, being our acceptance dishonored and noting charges payable. There will be 3 entries in the books of Drawi. First entry, again I'll repeat. Ashwin account debit to bank account to bill payable account. Ashwin's account debit rupees 45,000 to bank account rupees 15,000 to bill payable account rupees 30,000, being amount paid by check and accepted a bill for the balance. Next entry is wrong. You don't have to write that entry. because the bill is discounted with the bank by the drawer, for which the drawee doesn't write any entry in his books. Next one, on the due date, the second for July 12 entry, again I'll repeat, for July 12, if the bill is honored on the due date, the bill is honored on the due date, bill payable account debit to cash and bank account. Here it is given dishonored on due date, therefore you don't have to write that entry, but instead what you have to write, being our acceptance honored on the due date, being our acceptance honored on the due date. Bill payable account debit to cash and bank account is, bill is honored on the due date, that is October 15. That is October 15. A part. It is not July 12. It is October 15. What you have to write? Bill payable account debit to cash and bank account, being the bill duly honored on due date. पहला केस में अजिंक्य ने बिल ऑनर किया, इसके लिए वो अपनी बुक्स में क्या लिखेगा? बिल पेएबल अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश एंड बैंक अकाउंट, बीइंग अवर एक्सेप्टेंस ऑनर्ड ऑन द ड्यू डेट. Then on October 15 again, bill payable account debit to Ashwin's account, being the acceptance dishonored. And if noting charges are paid by the bank, bill payable account debit, noting charges account debit to Ashwin's account, being our acceptance dishonored and noting charges payable. Again you will note down these entries in your notebook. First entry, Ashwin account debit to bank account to bills payable account, being amount paid by check and accepted bill for the balance. Then here it is October 15. The bill is honored on the due date. After 3 months plus 3 days grace, bill payable account debit to cash and bank account, being the bill honored on the due date, being the bill honored on due date. Then again on October 15, bill payable account debit to Ashwin's account, being the bill dishonored on the due date. Then on October 15 again, October 15 you have to write down the date. Bill payable account debit rupees 30,000. Noting charges account debit rupees 300 to Ashwin's account rupees 30,300, being our acceptance dishonored and noting charges payable. Everybody will make a note of all the entries in the books of the drawer and drawee. The dates in the books of the drawee will be July 12, October 15, October 15, October 15. In the second entry, it will be the being our acceptance honored on the due date, being our acceptance honored on the due date. Make a note of it. With this, we come to the end of the bill discounted with the bank and honored on the due date.